What up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you a quick mass gainer, homemade mass gainer protein shake that's full of good carbs, good fats, and a ton of good protein. It's also filled with a lot of calories. That's why it's a mass gainer shake. You don't need to buy those fancy expensive gainers in the fucking supplement store because they're fucking pure of sugar. They're bullshit. All you need is a homemade mass gainer shake. Pretty simple, a lot of protein, a lot more effective, and then this shake is going to be more than 1,000 calories. And it's a lot healthier and a lot cheaper. So it's a lot better option. So this is definitely what you should do. If you're a very hard gainer, you should drink at least 2 of these a day. But one, if you're in a bulking phase and you have a hard time getting those calories in, because eating good quality foods in a big quantity is hard for a lot of people. So drinking a shake like this is going to help you out a lot. So let's see. So I got my NutriBullet. I recommend NutriBullet. It's one of the best mixers ever, but you can pick any mixer that you want. I like NutriBullet. Got my cup. It's a little bit foggy. So ingredient number 1 is going to be raw eggs. So I'm gonna set you guys up right there. I'm gonna show you how I do this. Alright. Okay, so first ingredient is 4 raw eggs. So you turn the eggs open. Don't get any shells in there because you don't want that. You don't want the shells. So we got 1. Get all that yolk in there. Boom. That's 1. Tear that bitch open. That's 2. We're gonna add 4. That's the recipe I'm gonna teach you guys. And this is pretty simple because most of the ingredients everyone has at home. Plus they're very nutritional. Eggs are very nutritional. Now a lot of people are scared of raw eggs because of salmonella and stuff. But if you get like good quality eggs from the store or like good free range eggs from a farmer, then you don't have to worry about that. Like most normal like good quality eggs that you buy in the store, you don't have to worry about salmonella. So let me rinse my hands a little bit, because most of the bacteria is on the egg shells. So that's basically it. We got 4 raw eggs. Alright, that's ingredient number 1. Let's see if we got any shells in there. I don't think so. So next ingredient is going to be whole milk. I just pick regular 3.5% whole milk. Just regular, nothing special. Not a lot. You don't want too much in this, just a little bit. So let's see, just something like that. Milk. That's gonna be enough. Then the next ingredient is gonna be protein powder. You can get any kind. I like Gold Standard Whey because it's from Optimum Nutrition, because it's the best tasting one in my opinion. Now the flavor you should use for this recipe should either be vanilla or chocolate. I recommend chocolate. So you put in 2 scoops whey protein, 2 full scoops. Bam, that's 50 grams of protein just from the protein powder. Then you got the protein from the eggs, then you got the protein from the milk. So it's a lot of different types of protein that release at different times. So we got the protein powder. Let's put that back. Next ingredient is gonna be 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now you can use the kind you want. It doesn't really matter, Peanut butter has a lot of those healthy fats. Just pick 2 whole tablespoons of peanut butter. Throw that bitch in there. Boom. Just 3 whole tablespoons. You don't have to measure this shit. You're bulking anyway. Or don't overcomplicate it. 2 tablespoons. Let's wash that off. Boom, pretty simple. Peanut butter you should pick is any kind, you know. This is just regular peanut butter that you buy in the store. You got that. The last ingredient is going to be 1 whole banana. So, why the banana? It helps with the texture, with the consistency, and with the flavor. Plus, it's a little bit extra carbs in there. So, put that in half. Throw it inside. Boom. Let's grab our towel. Let's close the lid. Boom. See this? Now, I mean, you might think that this is gross. Well, let me tell you. Like, the peanut butter goes so good with the eggs and the milk. It's insane. So, let me mix it up. Okay. I like to flip it a little bit so all the ingredients really get, you know, mixed up. I think that should be enough. Let's plug it out. Boom. Let's see the end product. So, let's open this bitch. I think this is filled up to the top. Let me see. Yeah, that's why you don't add too much milk, but it's not. It's really good. See, we got it. Boom. Then you just drink it. It smells really good. Like the smell of the eggs and the banana and the peanut butter is like, it produces a really good smell. Let's taste it. Like I said, guys, it sounds disgusting, but trust me on this, it's really good. Like the eggs and the peanut butter go so well with the banana and the milk. Like, it tastes really good. Let's finish this off. And this is a quick mass gainer protein shake. This has over 100 grams. This has over 100 grams of protein. It has over 1,000 calories. Only healthy protein, only healthy carbs, a lot of healthy fats. So a perfect combination for a mass gainer shake. No added bullshit sugar that you get in the store, in the supplement store. Only good things. There. Quick, easy recipe. Delicious, high protein, high calorie, mass gainer shake. Definitely do that. Definitely do this, guys, at home. Simple ingredients, nothing complicated, and it's gonna help you out a lot with gaining muscle. So yeah, try it out, and you'll see it's really good. It tastes really good, and it's a lot healthier than all the bullshit that you can buy in the store. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Definitely like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out.